Did you know you can embroider out your decorative stitch book? We always suggest that you take time to sew out all your decorative stitches, but there is a function on the embroidery side of the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 called Create Shape that will allow you to bring in multiple lines of decorative stitches, and then you can embroider them out in one big hoop. Let me show you how that works. Start by going into Create Shape and select the shape of a straight line. Now, of course, doing decorative stitches in circles or in other shapes would be super fun too, but let's just go ahead and stick to a normal line. As I touched it, you see that there is something that highlighted behind here, but I'm going to move it up just so it's not on the previous lines of decorative stitches I've already brought in. Next, go ahead and go to the decorative stitch option. And this is where you'll be brought over to the sewing machine side, and you can pick the stitches you want to have placed on that line. So how about for fun, let's go ahead and go over to some of our, well, let's do vintage stitches, and we'll pick the first one. It shows up a little small, but it is there, so I'm going to minimize the screen, and now we're going to go ahead and add. You're going to see them kind of coming in on screen, but I don't know how many repeats will actually work for this stitch, so oftentimes I'll just go ahead and touch the plus until they start to kind of mush together and touch, just like they would be in a sewn line. When I'm done, I can go ahead and touch the check mark, and that decorative stitch is ready to sew. If I feel like I need to bring that closer together, which I do at this point, go have it selected, come back into Create Shape, which will allow us to add a few more repeats on that particular line. Check mark, deselect it, and repeat the process. Go into Create Shape, select the line, maybe move it down, go to our decorative stitches, and keep working through whatever menu you've kind of started with. I'm kind of jumping around here just for something fun. Let's do a line of ladybugs. Close down the screen. Keep adding ladybugs until there's a complete line of them. That looks good. Touch the check mark and deselect. Can you see that this will give you not only practice using your embroidery machine side, but it will also get you comfortable using the Create Shape function. And before you know it, you'll have a hoop full of decorative stitches that you can go ahead and just stitch out. I would recommend that you save all your hard work, and then that way you can always come back, say later or tomorrow, and embroider it after you've done all the work of getting them all on screen. We'll put a link right up here where we have done the original Create Shape video for other options that you can use that function for. You'll find all of our video tutorials in the description below, plus online courses that we recommend to all of our Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 students. In each of those courses, there are always free videos that you can watch to see if that course is right for you. I hope to see you in class soon.